Entering events into your Stelo app will help you to visually connect where your glucose has been, when it's changed, and what events impacted it.
In the Events tab, you can track meals, activity, and blood glucose meter values. You can even add short notes about other things that might have been affecting your glucose. To enter an event, tap the plus sign, then tap the type of event you want to add. I like to use events to track my meals. Let's look at some past events I've entered. In Landscape View, hover over the event you want to see. Here's where I entered my breakfast. I had 3 eggs and an avocado. I like to look back about 2 hours after eating to see what a meal did to my glucose. Check it out. No spike in my glucose. A nice even line. Here, I had pizza for dinner. You can see the big spike. Maybe I'll experiment with a cauliflower crust pizza in the future. That's what it's all about, experimenting with different foods and activities to see how they impact your glucose.